Alrighty, folks, you saw the title of the video today. It is time for another Bed Bath & Beyond stock video, as today we had yet again another red day, but not that bad of a red day. We went down only 3%, barely 1 penny. Yeah, a little bit less than a penny. So we're going to break down the charts in this video, talk about my thoughts, and go over what I'm looking to do. So if you guys find value, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe, and you might as well get some free money from Moomoo while you're at it. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. Just go down below or simply go to stasorfest.com/Moomoo. Open up an account. You get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use those links down below. And now let's dive right into the video. So again, Bed Bath & Beyond stock today went down a little bit over 3%, down barely a penny, and it closed at 24.78 cents on the day. And mind you guys, the markets did not do well today at all, so maybe that contributed a little bit here into the reason why BBBYQ sold off. We had the Russell down 1% today. The Nasdaq went down about 0.75%, as the S&P went down 0.5%, and we had the Dow down 0.4%. And you would think the VIX would go up a ton today. I mean, it did go up, but it only went up 2.75%, and we had gold up around 0.25% and silver up 1.7%. So we had a red day all across the board today. A lot of big tech stocks went down, and we had VIX up, the VIX up, metals up. It was that type of day, right? And looking here at Bed Bath & Beyond stock, guys, on the intraday chart, then we'll look at some other time frames. What we're noticing is we pretty much consolidated all day around 24 cents, 23.5 on the on the lower end here. That pretty much held all day as support, and we had 25, roughly 25.5 cents as resistance. And we actually did see a little bit of a pop. Was that yesterday or was that this morning? Yeah, that might have been this morning. We got to around 28, 29 cents. We opened at around 26.5, or maybe that's a glitch. I don't know. Did we actually get to that point? Either way, we saw some green in the morning, and we opened at around 26.5 cents, and then we initially saw that drop to around 23.5. So essentially, in the first 25 minutes of trading today, guys, we lost 12%. So at one point, yeah, we were down roughly 12% on Bed Bath & Beyond, but from that point, we ended up rebounding and then consolidating around 24.5, 25 cents, and we held that strong pretty much all day, guys. You guys can see here on the intraday, and one good sign, very good sign overall for the bulls today is even though we went down 3% on the day, we did not take out the lows from yesterday. Yesterday's lows were 22 cents. You guys probably remember that. That was in the middle of the day, roughly around 1:30 p.m., 1:40 p.m., so more in the actually latter half of the day. Either way, we got to 22 cents. That was a drop of around 32% from the high from the morning. We hit roughly 32 cents. And again, the fact that we did not take that low out today, even though we went down 3%, that is a very good sign for the bulls. And pulling back a little bit on the 5-day, you guys can see, okay, now we're pretty much holding, again, the lows from yesterday roughly. We consolidated all day, and you'll notice both on the 24th of May and on the 25th of May, we held roughly 25 to about 25.5 cents. You guys can see we held that point on these 2 days, and then we ended up running all the way to 35 cents. So that looks like, it goes to show how strong of a support 23 to about 25 cents is. But then again, you could argue, Stas, wait a second, is this not a head and shoulders? Well, it kind of is, guys. I'm not going to lie. What we do have here is the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder's right here. If we start to break under 23 cents, guys, not to be a doomsdayer, but at that point, this could start to slip even more, and maybe we do see that right shoulder complete. But if we pull back the layers a little bit more, we have to look at the larger time frames, guys, as well. On the 20-day chart, we're still above the 180 SMA, like I talked about in my video. I believe that was yesterday, right? We're still holding above that moving average. And the crazy thing is, even if we took out 23 cents, we broke under that support, we started to see that right shoulder play out, we would still be above the 180 moving average. Now, if we broke under 18 cents, 19 cents, all right, at that point, that would not be the best sign for the bulls. Let me actually set my alert at 18 cents. Mark is at or below. That's pretty much right under the 180 SMA. So as long as we hold above 19, 20 cents, bulls are in charge, even if we do get that right shoulder to play out, and this comes down to about 19-20 cents. And again, the second we break 18 cents, we start going under, the lows from earlier in May being about 15-16 cents. If we start breaking those points, guys, this could get ugly quick. And I'm not going to say it's going to go all the way back down to where it was, a couple weeks ago, but it could sell off a little bit in the short term. That's the reality of the matter here. So yeah, guys, those are some updated thoughts here on how trading ended up playing out today. And of course, today's only Wednesday. We have tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So you best believe there's going to be a lot more price action here in Bed Bath & Beyond stock. And for me, guys, of course, I'm still holding on. My average is 41 cents, and I've been holding for quite some time at this point, for at least 2 months, maybe not 2 months, probably a little bit less than that. So maybe not nearly as long as some of you guys out there watching, but still, I'm in this with you guys. I'm holding on, and mind you, full disclosure, it is a small position. It's an amount of money that I'm fully willing to lose. I'll be fine losing it, but just figured to throw that in there. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Very important. We're trying to grow this channel. We're almost at 30,000 subs, guys. We'll be there soon enough. That's the next goal, so make sure to subscribe. And let me see what else ended up doing pretty well today. We had Tesla move up over 203 today, went up around 1.4% roughly, and it looks like here, like we saw yesterday a little bit in the morning, today Tesla pulled back in the morning as well. We can see it got down to about 195 on the intraday chart. Let me show you guys that. Yeah, 195. Then talk about a reversal, guys, all the way up to almost 205, 204 to be exact. It ran up 4.3% heading into close. Very big move there, and the fact that we did bounce off of that 50 SMA, I believe, on the 20-day chart. Yeah, you guys can see right there, boom, we bounced off that. That's a really good sign. Now it looks like, to me at least, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, but it looks like it wants to go and take out that high from yesterday. If it takes out 204, 205, guys, this could be going up even higher in my opinion. So that's a quick rundown here on Tesla. And like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, the markets went down today. We had a red day all across the indexes here. The VIX went up, metals went up, and we saw a lot of stocks go down. We had JWN, which just reported earnings. I'm actually going to break that down here in a little bit in my next video. I'm not sure which order you're watching these videos in, but either way, JWN reported. We had Nvidia finally take a little bit of a sell-off today, take a bit of a hit, down $22, down 5.5%, which, if you guys have been watching the channel, you're not surprised. We talked about this. I told you guys I would not be surprised at all if Nvidia started to sell off, and we're seeing that. Again, down 6%, and it could have a lot more downside to go. Not to the point where the trend's going to break. I still think we could get another rally off these moving averages, but we're still fairly overbought, even with this 5-6% sell-off. So keep that in mind, guys. And yeah, with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up. Don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo. If you guys want some free money, who doesn't like free money? Use that link down below, or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with some money, at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks. And fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. And guys, the clock is ticking. Make sure you get on that. That's limited time. Again, link down below, or simply go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.